Breaking news.
And thank you for joining us. We're going to begin with breaking news because the FDA could authorize emergency use of Pfizer's coronavirus vaccine at any moment after the White House pressured the agency to speed up the process. CBS News has learned President Trump's chief of staff told the head of the FDA, Stephen Hahn, to sign off on the vaccine now or hand in his resignation. That last-minute political pressure comes at the same time Pfizer and the federal government are poised to begin shipping nearly 3 million freezing cold vials of the vaccine to more than 600 sites across the country. Well, tonight hospitals are awaiting those shipments of vaccines. At the same time, they're overflowing with more new patients infected by COVID-19. And as we come on the air, there is more evidence that we are now at the worst moment of this crisis. In the past week, more people have been infected in the U.S. than at any other time during the pandemic. Deaths keep skyrocketing, too. Nearly 16,000 Americans have died this week alone. And with it likely to take months to get enough Americans vaccinated to stop the virus from spreading, tonight cities and states are imposing drastic new restrictions. That includes New York City, once home to some 23,000 restaurants. Starting Monday, all indoor dining will be banned. We have a lot of new reporting for you and your family tonight with our team covering it all. CBS's Manuel Borges is going to lead off our coverage from Kalamazoo, Michigan, where workers are standing by to start shipping out those vaccines. Good evening, Manny.
Good evening, Nora. Tonight, the head of the FDA is denying that he was told to either sign off on the vaccine right now or resign. But sources tell CBS News the threat was clear. The president wants the vaccine approved immediately, putting political pressure on a public health process. In the meantime, at this Pfizer facility in western Michigan, they're just waiting for that final approval to begin to roll out the first shipments of millions of doses of the vaccine. Tonight, the vials are filled and waiting in more than 300 sub-zero freezers for the green light from the FDA, signaling Pfizer can ship them. Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar.
They'll use FedEx and UPS. They drop ship through a very tightly controlled system to the 636 sites our governors have designated for this initial tranche.
It's a massive logistical operation. UPS says the process has already begun, shipping vaccine kits with supplies like syringes. The next step will be transporting the vaccine itself, and then sending dry ice to sites that don't have the ability to store the vials at the required extreme cold temperature. Adding to the delicate process, hospitals only open the shipments twice a day and confirm the dose count for 3 minutes before storing them. Frontline medical workers will get them first, as early as Monday.
Well, this is our ticket out of this